have a special thank you to a little girl out there that finally asked how hurricanes form. I'd asked for a long time to get this question. Sydney from Kennedy Elementary sent it in. So thank you so much, Sydney. Let's have some fun. How do hurricanes form? Well, hurricanes need three things. I bet you could guess what one of them is. Moisture. And you also need that instability. That's how you get storms to grow. That convection, that rising air that creates those clouds and those thunderstorms. And you need a moist layer at 15,000 feet for thunderstorm activity to continue, for those storms to continue to build and eventually become hurricanes. And it's a fun fact that hurricanes are called all different names all over the world, and one of my favorites is a willy willy. That's what they're called in Australia. Typhoons hit Japan, and right here we call them hurricanes. But no matter what you call them, they are all tropical cyclones. So you get that rising air, you get those thunderstorms to build. You also need sea surface temperatures of at least 80 degrees. That's one of the reasons we don't see them up in Oregon or Northern California, because if you've gone out to the coast, you know the water is not 80 degrees. It's a lot colder. So when hurricanes do finally make it closer to our area, they actually start to go further off to the west because it's just too cold for them to form out here. A tropical depression is an organized cloud of thunderstorms, and they have sustained winds of around 36 miles per hour. A tropical storm, this is when they become named, is circulation and winds in anywhere up to 73 miles per hour. As soon as you get those sustained winds at 74 miles per hour, then in America, you have a hurricane. A very strong circulation. They are the most extreme storms that happen anywhere in the world. And here's a look at when we expect to see hurricanes throughout the year. The biggest peak is August and September, peaking September 11th, and then we get a late surge in November. Thank you so much, Sydney. I was so excited to answer that question. I hope that you enjoyed that one. If you have a question, you can head to our website at kidrv.com.